Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! For today's video, I'm gonna color my hair and I want to color it into blonde. It's a Dusty Cool Blonde 240 and Ultra Ash Blonde 10. So this is the color. I'm gonna use the Schwarzkopf Palette and I'm gonna mix it with this one. So we're gonna try and see the result. But actually dito yung this is not really the actual color that I'm expecting because hindi naman ako nagbi-bleach. I'm not doing bleaching, so I'm not really expecting that my color will be this lighter. So we will see. So first is I'm gonna show you the inside of the box. Okay. I'm gonna show you what's inside the box. So, merong developer, color cream, and the mask, and the directions kung paano siya gamitin, but everything is in Serbian. I cannot understand, so mag-experiment because first time ko siyang gagawin, and I'm gonna mix in my small bowl. Mix it and some best. Ayun na bukas. So, ayun na. Oh my god. The color is white. Actually guys, if you're gonna mix colors, you're gonna mix it with a plastic, not with a metal. Because I don't know where also. So I'm gonna mix these two colors. Oh my god. Ayan na. So I'm gonna mix this one. Color white. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of nervous because I'm gonna do it alone. Oh my god. Actually guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, puro lang mga what if, and I don't know. We'll just see the result. So, yan. Gamit ko yung toothbrush. Actually, sobrang strong ng baho niya. Mix ko na siya. Strong, super strong. Oh my god. Kasi dalawang tubes na yung hinalo ko and manipis lang yung hair ko. I'm so scared what will be the result. Baka magmukha akong cheetah. So as you can see, I have the black hair here and then the colored one on the hair tips. So I already colored my hair before, but I'm kind of nervous right now. Divide natin siya into 4 sections. You need to apply the color in dry hair para daw dumikit yung colors. So we have here gloves. We have our gloves here because kailangan natin ng gloves. We need a gloves. Put it on kasi chemicals yan best.
This is happening. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the hair. Okay. We're gonna first start in the tip of the hair. Because they said dito daw mas better na dito daw is start before dun sa anit. Oh my god. It's kinda hurting the eyes. Sabi ng mga napapanood ko sa YouTube, unahin daw yung tip ng hair before yung anit. Kasi daw mas unang nagko-color yung mas lighter yung color sa anit kaysa doon sa tips. Baka magmukha tayong cheetah at ayaw natin yun. Oh my god. Can I join this? We just see what happens. I hope it will not fail. Ano ba itong pinagagawa ko?
Here it go, guys. Tapos na ako mag-shower.
I'm gonna blow dry my hair.
So, ayan guys. Ito na yung final hair. Pero parang ano? Parang lang ako siya nga. Parang wala lang. Parang same lang din yung color. Kasi walang masyadong sunlight kasi umuulan. But, see, ito yung final product. Hindi siya masyadong visible kasi sobrang black ng hair ko. Tapos, hindi ako nag-bleach. And, walang masyadong sunlight. And, masyadong maulan sa labas. Kaya, parang fail. Pag naarawan, ganito yung color niya. Medyo siya light. Compared doon sa dating color ko, and yung conditioner niya nakaka-smooth. So, I love the result, and siguro magdadagdag pa ako ng another color para much lighter pa siya. If you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up and click the notification below for more upcoming videos. See you in our next video. Bye!